today we're getting down to business. Here is my Vauxhall Corsa VXR, and it's broken, as you can see. But here's a picture of what it looked like originally. Yeah, kind of crazy. And we've been slowly rebuilding it from scratch. We replaced the airbags, we replaced the damaged suspension, and the last video we even got it driving, but in today's video we'll be finishing it. Right, so as you can see, we've made a decent amount of progress. From the last video, we've actually kind of put on the wing. Basically, we've put 2 screws in there. I'll play the clip. All right, guys, so as you guys know, it's winter, which means it gets dark really early, but we're cracking on. Just me today, we're going to attempt to put on the wing. So, what we need to do first, put the wing on, screw that all in. Right, let's crack on. Right, but the agenda for today. Wing is actually going to go on. Headlights going on, arch liners going on, and the bumper. And finally, I'm happy and proud to say, the Vauxhall Corsa VXR is finished. It's been a while. So, first on the agenda, Leo's opening the old toolbox. We have to take off the wheel, nice and easy. As you know, we've got white wheels on the car for now. We've only got 1 white wheel on, but another thing on today's agenda is changing all of the white wheel, all of the black wheels over to the white ones. And as I said, we'll finally be able to drive it, which I'm properly, yeah. Feels like a bit of a bittersweet moment. Today could be the last Corsa video ever. Right then, guys, so Leo is trying to get the screw up there. You probably can't see it. It is the biggest pain in the ass. Basically, the screw ends up there for the wing. It's stupid, isn't it? Yeah. If you guys remember on the first video we ever did on the Corsa, where we removed the wing, it was a pain in the ass then, and it's still a pain in the ass. And now we can't break it, so it makes it even worse. We've also got to plug this in, which I forgot to do now. It's actually mad how far we've come with this Corsa, isn't it? Leo's gone. But we've done the ABS, we've done the brake hose, we've done an air filter, pretty easy, but I know. We've done the rocker cover gasket, we've done a lot, haven't we? Oh, and the suspension.
Suspension, that was the main thing, probably.
All airbags.
All airbags, ABS sensor.
Yeah.
Man.
It's been an experience, this car. An experience that
I never want to do again.
never want to do again. We actually had to bend back part of the chassis to fit the bottom 2 screws of the wing. I don't want to be doing this.
Yeah, I might need a spanner for this one.
Right, guys, so before we actually complete the wing putting on, we actually need to scan this car for codes. I know, I can't believe we haven't done that yet. Oh well, let's do it. Right, guys, so the guys over at Top Don has sent out their RT Diag 500, which is a diagnostics tool, which is really cool. It's like it's like a proper one mechanics user, you can see. It works with pretty much every car, and it works with the Corsa, and I guess we're gonna have to see if we got any codes. I'm a bit nervous because we haven't actually tested it, and we thought, nah, we don't need to test it. But now we've got a diagnostics tool, we've got to test it. I guess we've got to do it. Right, come inside. Right, guys, so inside the box, you get the actual Top Don little holder thing, which is really cool. So if we open it up, here is the device. Check that out. That is like a proper one mechanic shoes. Oh, and guess what, guys? You ready? Are you guys ready for the most satisfying thing ever? Hold on.
Sure you even meant to peel it?
Yeah, why would it be there if you can't peel it?
Bro, some microwaves have that and you can't peel it. Don't break it, G.
Gee, it's not a microwave,
Bro,
is it? It's not a microwave. Alright, here we go. The most satisfying thing ever. Oh yeah. What basically this is, it plugs into your OBD scanner in your car. It pretty much works with every car. The link is going to be in the description, of course. It basically plugs into the little OBD cable, plugs into the OBD port, which on the Corsa is actually underneath the dash. Let me show you quickly. There it is. So we're going to plug it in. We're going to actually turn off the car first. There you go. And we're just going to put the ignition on. And we are going to get the OBD cable. This should go into the top, pretty standard. Lovely, that's in, and then we're gonna wait till this boots up, and then we're gonna plug it into the OBD scanner. And we're gonna scan it. I don't get nervous. Well, I guess we're in. Okay, so we're in and it's reading the VIN right now. So what this is, it's automatically going to find the car for us. It's read the VIN, so we've got everything. And as you can see, we've got auto scan, hot functions, and vehicle profile. Right, let's hit auto scan and see what we can get. And I guess auto scan again. Here we go. Engine control module, we've got no faults. TCU, I don't think, because it's a manual, I don't think we have a TC, a transmission control in it, but I'm just going to select something, but it probably won't register it. Yeah, it does not exist. ABS, 2 faults on the ABS. Could just be a sort of thing we need to reset though. And airbags, I'm guessing we're gonna have a few. Airbags 16, okay. Right, so let's go with ABS. So we have actually fixed the ABS sensor, as you guys would know by now.
Yeah, good better.
We can clear.
Yeah.
Yep. We can clear those codes for the ABS.
Oh.
No trouble codes.
Sorted.
I guess so. It could be very much sorted then. Okay, cool. We've got no ABS faults since we fixed that, which is really good. And we've got no engine faults, which is amazing. I was a little bit worried it was going to say engine fault 1, engine's going to blow up soon. We're good. So we're going to figure out how to do the airbags, but for now, we're going to exit the system. All right then, guys, but this is a really cool piece of kit. Now, Top Done are selling this, of course. Why wouldn't they? It's the link will be in the description. But they sell loads of other things as well. We can update it. We probably should do that in a minute. They sell loads of other things as well. It is a really, really, really good piece of kit that I recommend. And it's like one's proper mechanic shoes. This is like the proper things they plug in. It will scan every car, BMWs, Mercs, Fords, all General Motors, so Vauxhalls, even Corvettes. What else have we got? Nissan. Any other? What else can you think of, Leo? Everything. Yeah, there's everything in this. So make sure to check them out, and because you'll definitely find something you'll want. But yeah, thank you, Top Dom. Right then, progress has been made. The wing is actually pretty much on. Screwed in there, lovely, and screwed in up here, and screwed in there. Surprisingly, that was really, really simple. We just got to do the last little bit of touching up to get it aligned right, and then we're good. And then, what is there to do next, Leo?
Headlight. Arch liner.
Arch liner.
Oh,
Okay, that will actually help.
You can do that too.
Let's twist it.
I think so. I think that's what we did when we took it off.
There you go. Oh.
Well, should get it back in. Oh, for sake. Hold that. Right, guys. I want to kill myself. This. Oh, maybe I don't actually. Hold on. I've just done. It is not even that big of a deal. But I've put the arch liner in. Charlie's finding the tabs so we can get the tabs in. I think we need to connect that. I want to hate this car. It was great when we bought it. Made a load of progress within like the first week, and then winter as well. Winter don't help. Got that to do. The white rims are actually banging up. You know what? This car's been a learning experience. Yeah. Learned that not everything is as easy as it seems, you know. And also that Charlie's an idiot and thought that we could actually do this. And I told him, let's just get something with panel damage. And he goes, nah. We need a bit more damage for the YouTube. Yeah. Idiot.
Come there and give
There's 10. Oh, he found them.
What? I don't know.
They don't. No, they're the same. Watch.
Right then, so arch liner is actually making progress. What? That's unlikely.
I know.
We're making progress with the arch liner. Arch liner. Yeah. Right then, guys. So arch liner is completed. Good stuff. That was actually really good. Arch liner for some reason was just like really like worrying me. But Leo is getting to work putting a headlight in. We're actually getting really close. We're not doing too bad, are we, Leo?
Not so bad.
This should be really easy. Just a few screws. Did you plug it in?
Nope.
Well, that's a bit stupid then, isn't it? Right.
Okay. Yeah.
I guess that's the end of it.
Are you sure?
No.
Well, you did push the red thing halfway in. Maybe pull that out.
Yeah, done.
You sure that's in?
Yeah.
It looks wonky.
Maybe it's not coming out, mate.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Done?
Yeah, then we
Mate.
got that one and this one. And then this.
Yeah. It's actually coming along. Made a decent amount of progress today, haven't we, mate?
Yeah, we are.
Lovely stuff. BB, the headlights on.
Nice. That looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, one really clean one and one cloudy one. Yeah, alright then guys, so headlight, wing and arch liner is all on. Unfortunately, me and Leo have some really important business to attend to. So, we can't put the bumper on just yet. The bumper will be on soon though, I promise you. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. Right then guys, so day numero 2. It's night time again. I fucking hate winter. Leo's here. We're just currently about to preparing to fit the bumper. We're planning on doing the screws at the top first because they just seem to be the better option. We've got some, still got a leftover screw there, which is interesting. But they just seem to be the better option. And now to fit the final piece of the puzzle, the bumper. To be honest, this was the easiest part of the entire build. Very easy to do, very lovely. See what I'm seeing right now? We've done it. It's completed. Yes!
Big up the YouTube. Pretty what I'm seeing. What?
We've done it.
Final screw.
Hey!
The Corsa is finished, guys. Thank you for watching the video.
No.
I'll see you all in the next video.
Wait. Guys, the Corsa is pretty much done. Actually, I can't believe it. Should we put the bonnet down just to appreciate it?
Gently, put it down gently, please.
Mate, we've smashed that.
We have smashed it.
We smashed that.
All we need is a little tongue cover there.
Yeah. Little once over. Give that a sniff. Can I smell it?
Look it.
Yeah, that smells like, you know what that smells like? Success.
Yeah.
Couldn't have said it better myself, my friend. Oh yes. First wheel going on now. Leo, I'm going to give you the honours to judge.
Oh, you filmed?
Yeah, I'm going to give you the honours to judge.
This way?
Yeah, let's put it on that way, mate.
Yeah.
Mate, no,
That
you know what
looks
that
sick,
is?
though.
It's just negative camber. Oh. Because that is exactly what negative camber means. Oh. It's like F1, bro.
Ding.
Alright guys, so it is the next day. We need to jump start the car. Unfortunately, this car hasn't been turned on in a long time. Almost about 2-3 months. I hate with a burning passion jumping a car, but using this makes it a whole lot easier. So, turned it on. We're gonna go see if the car does it. Does its thing. I don't know if it will, because usually the horn would be going right about now. No, okay. Let me figure this out. I then spent the next 5 minutes trying to figure out how to use the jump pack. Jesus. Well, it works. We should have power now. Let's test it. There we go, we got power. Alright, we'll let it prime the fuel for a minute because it hasn't been turned on in about a month or 2. Yeah, we got fuel, which is good. Alright. I hate starting up this car because it honestly terrifies me, but let's go. Good stuff. No lights on the dash. Perfect. She starts! Right, and now how do I take off this? I'll see. Well, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, hopefully you guys can hear me, but she sounds healthy. Right, so, a lot of you guys, as you saw last night, I said we're gonna get the white wheels on. They're still black, and the white one's still there. Unfortunately, Leo has lost the locking wheel nut to this car. What can you do? So, at the minute we're stuck with these until we find the locking wheel nut, put the white ones on. It's gonna be there somewhere, but you just gotta imagine it. Imagine this around the whole car, all right? Just ignore the rest. But look at that. Guys, I don't want to alarm you, but oh my God, and I've just realised the headlights are working. Guys, obviously we put the headlight in. I completely forgot that. I didn't even realise, but the headlight is working. It looks miles better than that one. We might have to give that one a little clean up. I think we should just drive it, honestly. I say we give it a drive. This finished cold starting. Let's put the bonnet down. And let's take it out for its first ever completed drive. We're ignoring that. I'm nervous. It's going to be so cool. I'm so excited though. Oh, we got to move PB's car. Let's do that first. Right then, PB's car hopefully is moved enough. As you can see, we'll be the judge of that. But let's get in the car, in the Recaro bucket seats. And let's take it out. Shut the door properly. Let's finally go in the first drive in the Corsa. 5 months in the making. The first drive where it's completed. I can't believe it. Get the seatbelt on. Wow, the car's actually completed this time. This is gonna be sick. Okay, let's bring the seat forward as well. Put the windows down. That wasn't anything worrisome. Guys, she's driving. Don't know about those noises. She may have a seized caliper though. But you know what? Apart from that really annoying squealing noise, or it could be a stone actually, it's more likely a stone because the steering wheel isn't pulling to one side. But you know what guys? She's driving very well. Obviously the alignment is another thing. I say, for the one time, for the 200 brake, the only time we're ever going to do a pull in this car is right now. We'll do it in second because... Let's go. Whoa. She's quick! I mean, obviously, she's 200 horsepower. We've been fixing this car for like months. So you just forget the benefits. You really do just forget the benefits, like it's got 200 horsepower. Damn, that car's nice to drive. Makes me kind of want to keep it. But I don't think logistically I can afford to keep it. But there we go. I wish Leo was here to witness this. He will be here another day, but as you know, we took the Corsa VXR up here 3 months ago, I think, with it broken to bits, and it's done. It's really hard for me to take in. I'm not trying to be soppy, but wow, we did this. Me and Leo did this. I'm not gonna not give Leo credit. And it's done, and it just feels like a really surreal moment. It feels really surreal seeing this. But there we go. For the one time, let's give it a quick rev, because obviously we've got the Ram air filter. And it's done. Obviously bar the wheels. The white wheels will be going on as soon as I find that damning locking wheel nut. But yeah, it's done. Wow. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching this amazing video. Thank you guys for watching this entire journey. Thank you guys. I'm gonna link the playlist to all the videos on screen right now, and I'm also gonna link my last video, which was a POV drive on my stage 2 BMW M235i. But wow, and I just want to let you guys know we are selling this car. So if you guys are interested, please message me on Instagram. My Instagram's on now. But if you don't care, I'll see every single one of you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys. Also, my first experience with torque steer. Interesting. See you guys later.